Hello everyone, Dr. Matt Ed. Today we'll talk about coronary angiogram views. So this slide shows LAO cranial. Just a tidbit that cranial views, they focus on LAD, and later on we'll be looking at caudal views, and those focus on the left circumflex. So here this is LAO cranial, and when you see the angiogram, up here is the left main and straight down is the LAD. Sometimes it gives you this mustache look. On the right side we have the left circumflex that branches out to the OMs, and the LAD branches into septals and diagonals. Here is a real angiogram of it. Here we have the LAD going straight down, and then on the right side we have the circumflex. So here the circumflex gives off the PDA and PLBs, posterolateral branches. So that indicates that it's a dominant circ. This is areocranial. So areocranial pretty much just the image is rotated to the right. And here we have the left main, and this is the LAD, and the circ is that way. It goes up, and sometimes it comes down like this. And once again, these are OMs and diags. And this is one of the real images of areocranial. So here, LAD is pretty much slightly rotated to the right, and then the left circumflex comes this way and goes back down. And here, sometimes we also see the ramus if it comes right off the bifurcation. This is the LAO caudal view. Here we have the left main, and remember the caudal view focuses on the left circ. So we have the left circ here, gives off the OM, and then the LAD goes up there, and it gives off the diags. And sometimes if there's a branch that comes off right at the bifurcation, that's the ramus branch. Here's a real picture of it. Here's a real picture of it. The left circ is focused in front of you. The LAD goes that way, and the diag goes down, goes to the right, like this way. Here we have the areocaudal, view. The left circ is rotated towards the left, and then it pretty much goes off right in front of you on the screen. Sometimes it gives a curve like this, and it gives off the OMs and LAO, and then the LAD goes down along the border of the heart, with the diag sometimes contouring the heart border as well. Here's a real picture. Here is the circ, OMs, the LAD, diags, and there's the left main over here, the bifurcation over there. Just you could call this a possible ramus. This is my reference. Thank you for watching. If you thought this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and watch out for my next video.